Okay, today I am going to give you an overview of the equipment and software and everything I'm using for my 3D printing business. Uh, that is just getting off the ground. So, what I have here is I have a FlashForge Adventurer 5M. I have my PC that I use here. Various little equipment things. Keyboard, mouse, calipers. And right now I am printing a SSD rack that I designed for my fiance. I'll show you here. This guy right there is what I'm using, and it's working pretty well. I like it. Designs, everything fits well, and I added an extra wider slot on the end for this SSD card holder that I made. My fiance is a professional photographer, and as you can tell, I am not. So I am just trying to get a start here. I'm new to this whole thing. Got my GoPro and off to the races. If you guys have any questions, ask in the comments, and I'll try to respond. We'll see where it goes.